100V brake adjustments on the right side. On the right hand side, you will need to remove the fender just to gain better access to the brake switch. With fender removed, so you'll be able to gain access to the brake switch, as you see here. And also, again, adjustment can be done on the linkage rod. We'll loosen both jam nuts for the linkage rod. Again, the brake at this point is released. And measuring from the brake arm to the tread, to the tire tread, you want somewhere between a 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch clearance between the two. With linkage rod jam nuts loosened, you can run the rod in or out to adjust accordingly. Once adjustment is achieved, go ahead and lock down the jam nuts. Once the jam nuts are secure, go ahead and engage the brake lever. When engaging the brake lever, what we want to make sure of is that the brake switch is being activated when the brake is fully engaged, and also making sure that the brake light is turning on and off. If adjustment is needed for the brake switch, you can loosen the two mounting bolts here and slide brake switch back and forth to where it's being activated by the rotating arm of the brake.